We arrived in the port of Bergen, Norway at approximately 7 a.m. on Thursday, August 7th, 2025. It's a very industrial port. We left the ship and headed towards the city center, approximately a 10 to 15 minute walk. We arrived at the city center and I scanned the horizon, and just to my left was the famous Bergen fish market. We stood in line in a queue to gain access to the funicular that would take us to the top of Mount Floyen. The ride in the funicular takes approximately 3 minutes to reach the top of Mount Floyen, where you then can exit and then look out over the entire city and the fjord below.
Velkommen til Floyen. Dette vår endestasjon. Utgang på høyre side. Welcome to Mount Floyen. This is our final station. Please exit on the right-hand side.
There are sheep walking around, so that's the main issue, but there are also wild animals.
The viewing platform at the top of Mount Floyen is very large, is generally crowded, and the wind is extensive when you come out of the funicular onto the main platform. But the views are wonderful. The viewing platform meanders around to your left, where it leads up to a restaurant, and then past the restaurant there are some goats and a walking path that takes you to the main section of Mount Floyen. But on that side of the viewing platform, it's extremely windy. On the back side of the restaurant at the top of Mount Floyen is a map that highlights all the activities that you can do on Mount Floyen, and then there's also a troll that you can take photos with, and a sign that tells you how far you are from relevant destinations around the world. Taking the funicular down from the top of Mount Floyen back to the base, I filmed a quick series through the glass roof of the funicular. This is the view that you get as you exit the funicular and are heading out back to the main section of the city from once you entered. Next, I'm going to take you through a quick walk down both sides of the famous Bergen fish market, just to give you a flavor of what the market offers. As we sailed out of the fjord for Bergen, Norway, out into the North Sea, on our way to Geiranger, Norway, the North Sea became very rough.